Is your sheet metal design software purpose-built? Many design tools are filled with features you'll never use. 3D Sheet Metal Creator was built from the ground up to bring you the sheet metal specific capabilities you need and none of the ones you don't, on any device with a web browser and internet connection. As a sheet metal creator, you'll use SheetMetal to leverage the same intuitive sketching capabilities as other 3D Experience design apps. Context-sensitive menus bring useful tools right to your mouse cursor, making designing fast and efficient. SheetMetal gives you powerful control over features because it's purpose-built. Specify a flange's height, angle, limiting geometry, clearance, and more. Easily create flanges from a sketch profile, a functionality unique to this app. Other common features are supported, such as punch or forms, hems, bends, corner reliefs, and more. Few projects require only sheet metal parts. In 3D Sheet Metal Creator, you can insert and assemble non-sheet metal components, even those created in other CAD applications. Finding the component you need is easy, using the 3D Experience platform's powerful search, saving you valuable time. Drag and drop your components into the project, and then use familiar mating controls to position in place. When your design is complete, generate manufacturing output using industry-standard formats such as DXF. Leverage the power and security of the 3D Experience platform to share your designs with your team or manufacturing partners. You can even get their feedback using built-in viewing and markup tools. Because 3D Sheet Metal Creator is cloud-based, there are never any updates to install. It runs in a browser on any connected device, so you're always using the latest technology every session. Your design data is safely stored in the 3D Experience platform and always accessible. Sheet metal design deserves a purpose-built tool. All of the capabilities you need right at your fingertips, none of the ones you don't. That's 3D Sheet Metal Creator. Contact your SolidWorks reseller to learn more.